Greetings and blessings, beautiful friends. How are you doing? In this life, we go through a lot of tests in order for us to grow and become more loving, more capable at handling our energies, thoughts, emotions, and actions. But we are under three major traps that keep us away from further prosperity, health, and the love we truly deserve. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, click the bell icon so you can get notified when I post a new video, and also click the like button because it helps with the algorithm of YouTube so other people can see that and benefit from. Today I'm going to share to you the three major traps of the Matrix and the ways for you to go out of there and have prosperity, love, and the health you truly deserve. The first trap is time. Yes, time. And I'm going to explain to you right away. You see, you're going out there and you're helping people. You are doing so many beautiful things for your fellow human beings, for Mother Nature. You are creating valuable material for other people, but you're not receiving. You're waiting and you're waiting, and time goes by, but you're not receiving. So the mind begins to talking to you like, you are giving, but you're not receiving, and this is not good, this is not right. So many people also go back to their old selves because they are trying many things, but they don't have results. Because you see, time, it is actually a really powerful medium for our personal growth. You need time. Let's say somebody wants to go to the Olympics and starts running. He wants to become a runner. If he could manage to do that in one day, everyone in this world will be runners. Time is needed to build up patience, to build up muscle, to help us grow spiritually, mentally, physically. And also, time is needed to test our loyalty and royalty to our current moral structure and ethical structure. Because if someone does good things to get something in return, it means that they're not doing it out of love. So the universe brings the time to test us. So if you're doing something good and you're not receiving, be patient. Don't observe that you're not receiving yet. Remember, time is needed for everything, not only for your good actions or your good deeds. Perhaps you are trying your work and you're not getting results. Relax, allow time to go by and keep on doing, and momentum will eventually build up, and the results you are seeking, they're gonna come. But allow time to help you grow, to help you learn more, get more skills, and eventually become the one you want to be. So the first trap is time, and be patient and keep on doing what you are doing from your heart, from the deepest part of your own psyche. Do it with passion, do it with love, and keep on grinding, and eventually your efforts will have results. The second, and one of the most powerful traps, is of the religion. Religion created, unfortunately, the belief that there is some kind of a force or a bearded, white-bearded guy above in the sky who cares about you, and he's going to help you, or he's going to do things for you, which, of course, this is wrong. You are the one who can love yourself and others. You are the one who is responsible for the creation of your own reality, and that belief takes away your responsibility, the sensation of power within you, because if you feel powerful enough, you are going to control your thoughts and your emotions. and you're going to create the reality that you really want. But if you believe in a higher force that is going to do the things for you, you're always going to be in a waiting mode, waiting for a force to give love to you, to send you money, to find all the good things in life and put it in front of you. And you keep waiting and praying. And by going into that stage of consciousness, you are giving your power away. Of course, there is love as an energy in the universe, which is you, as also fear. So you are responsible for every thought, for every action, and for every creation you are now experiencing, no matter how hard it is for you to believe that. But the problem with the religion is, let's say you have been in an abusive family and you never had love in your life. And at the age of 17, 18, 19, 20, you're seeking for a relationship. And because of the religion, you start praying to the God, please God, I've been abused and I never had love in my life, and I know because you are loving, you're going to send that to me. But of course, the totally different happens in your life. So the totally opposite happens right now in your life, and a toxic person appears in your life because you see, you create based on your emotions, based on your previous experiences, and if you don't heal, and if you don't take the time needed for you to heal yourself, to grow, be more responsible in your thoughts, actions, behaviors, habitual patterns, then none of these God concepts can help you because you create that reality. But because we believe that there is some kind of compassion out there, and there is a big figure with beard, and he's going to help us because we've been abused. We never had love. So normally that compassionate power, that beautiful loving God will come to aid us, to help us. No. The universe will only work when we put the attention, when we put the work, when we come in alignment with the silence which resides within everything, which it is the main power of creation, along with the attention, emotion, and proper thought. So if we are going out there and begging for a power to help us because we never had money or because we never had love, and we think that loving force is going to do that for us, guess what? We're going after our desires with the emotion of lack, because I didn't have that. So the God is going to give it to me. No. If you go after anything with the sensation of lacking it, of not having it, or that you never had it, and there is some force that is going to give it to you, guess what? The totally opposite is going to happen. Bad things are going to come, negative people, more poverty, because you need to learn to control the God force that resides within you. Take responsibility, love yourself, learn how to heal, be more courageous, be more powerful, and take responsibility, and eventually that loving force which is within you will work for you. And the third trap, it is our subconscious and unconscious functions. You see, the life is ruled by 97% of our subconscious activities. And because we work mainly in beta waves with our conscious mind, we keep walking. People do 2 jobs, 3 jobs, but they don't get the money. And then they come and frustrated and they react like, this is not the life I expected, I'll keep walking. And they get mad with the God, I said before, because they expect from a higher force, which actually that higher force, it is a subconscious mind. So people, they try to get into relationships and they fail. They work hard, they put a lot of effort based on their conscious mind, but because in their early childhood, they learned from their mother and their father that Life is hard. You have to work too many hours and you're gonna get just a tiny portion of what you deserve. And they repeated that while you were young into your own mind, and they kept repeating that it's difficult for us now to go for grocery shopping, or I can't buy that for you right now, we don't have the money, etc., etc. So they put that information within you, and now you're an adult and you are trying hard, but your subconscious mind goes in the way. And even if you are working 5 jobs a day, it will be impossible for you to make money if you are not going deep within your psyche daily and put a new information there that is going to support that new state of being that you are trying to bring in your life and make more money or have a healthy relationship. If you were in an abusive family and you want to have a wonderful new relationship, you need to fix your subconscious mind. This is the way. You need to daily affirm, I deserve love, I am giving love, and I am receiving love. You see, everything is based on the unconscious and subconscious activity. So stop giving attention to your conscious mind like I'm working too much or I'm a good person but I don't get the love, and instead say, I work but I receive. I can work less, but because of my skills, I can earn more. And I'm so happy and grateful right now that I'm earning more money because of the new state of consciousness that I acquired. I am so happy and grateful that I now have a wonderful, loving relationship because I deserve that, because I fix my mental state, and because I am worthy enough to have all the love of the world. So, remember, allow the time for you to grow and learn more. Remember that there is no such thing as an external force, but it's an internal force, and you have to take responsibility of your thoughts and actions and use your subconscious mind to benefit you instead of sabotaging you. Learn to daily repeat, because subconscious is trained by repetition and emotion. Repeat the new state of consciousness you want to acquire, the new life as it already happens. Right now you are rich. You are giving love and you are receiving love. You're having an amazing, wonderful relationship. Keep doing these things and life will turn into a wonderful heaven. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned.